Hey, in this video, we'll be looking at how to make use of our YouTube integration to search for videos and get relevant stats for each video. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to start by adding a channel ID tag right here and paste the actual channel ID in B1. In B2, I'm going to go to Actions, search for YouTube, navigate to the Search Videos YouTube function, toggle on the Set Channel parameter right here, and reference that to cell B1. Once good, you can then click on the Add Function in B2 button right there. Once the function is executed, you can then click on the yellow label, go to Create Data Table, click on the drop-down from the table headers, navigate to Items, Snippet, and we'll look at the title when the video was published, along with, let's say, the video URL. Let me just place these things in order and also set the table destination to be in our log table. We can also rename the headers. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to created at, next one to title, and next one to video URL. And click rename. And once good, you can then click on the create data table button right here. Next, let's go ahead and get all the relevant stats for each of these videos. For that, I'm going to go to our actions element right here. Once again, search YouTube and go to get video insights YouTube right here. Reference the video ID to cell C2 and click add function in D2. Once the function is executed, you can once again click on the yellow label, go to view data, navigate to all data to just browse and understand where the data sits. So the information that we need is sitting right here. However, instead of using this, I'm going to go ahead and use our recommended tables, click on video statistics, and hit enter. Once we have this data, we can then go ahead and autofill each of these functions in their respective columns. Let's start with column D. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and copy this function, type equals autofill. For the label, I'm going to just type in video insights, and the formula, I'm just going to paste this formula in right here. And you'd see that the entire column is filled with the video insights function right here. Let's do the same thing for the rest of the columns. For this, I'm going to go ahead and copy this function, type in autofill, and add a label saying view count, and the formula, I'm just going to paste that. Let's do the same thing here for the like count equals autofill. Label would be like count, and the formula, just pasting that in. Let's do that for the favorite count once again. I'm just going to leave it at that and then paste the formula. And finally, the comment count. So copying the formula once again, using the autofill function, type in comment count and paste the formula. Once you have that, you'll see that the entire data table is filled with the relevant stats. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.